Let me tell you a story that sounds fake but happens every single day. Two people walk into the same dealership. Same city. Same week. Same exact car. Same color. Same engine. Same everything. They talk to the same salesman. Sit at the same desk. Shake hands on a deal. And yet one of them walks out paying $2,000, sometimes $3,000 more for the exact same car. No scam. No trick contract. No illegal move. Just a system. A system so well designed that you can lose money inside it and still feel like you won. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, step by step, layer by layer, in the simplest way possible. Because once you understand this, you will never walk into a dealership the same way again. Meet Elon. Elon is careful. He's not the kind of person who just walks in and buys something expensive without thinking. He prepares. Preparation phase for weeks, Elon researches. He watches YouTube reviews, reads forums, compares trims, checks reliability scores, he even looks at pricing tools online. He learned something important. The sticker price is $32,000, the invoice price is around $30,000, so he creates a plan. I'll negotiate close to invoice. That's the best deal. Sounds logical. Sounds smart. The negotiation scene: Elon walks into the dealership. The showroom is clean, bright, calm. A salesperson greets him with a smile. They sit down, and the game begins. At first, the price is high. $32,000. Elon pushes back. $31,000. Back and forth. Tension. Silence. Fake hesitation. Let me check with my manager. Time passes. Emotion builds. This is intentional. Finally, after almost an hour, they land on $30,050, just $50 above invoice. Emotional victory. Elon feels amazing. His brain says, I did it. I beat the system. He calls a friend. Bro, I basically got it at cost. He drives home proud, confident, satisfied. But here's the reality. Elon didn't beat the system. He just completed level 1 of the game. Let's simplify everything with one idea. What you see is not what they earn. The iceberg model. Imagine an iceberg. You see a small piece above water, but below it there's a massive hidden structure. Car pricing works the same way. Hidden layer 1, the cashback you never see. After Elon leaves, the manufacturer sends money back to the dealership. This is called a holdback. Think of it like this. You buy something for $100, but secretly, the seller gets $5 back later. On Elon's car, 23% of $32,000 equals $640 to $960, so even if they sold at cost, they already made money. Hidden layer 2, the game of targets. Dealerships don't think in single sales. They think in volume. Imagine this. Sell 49 cars, no bonus. Sell 50 cars, $50,000 bonus. That means the 50th sale is extremely important. So they might sell that car cheaper just to unlock a huge reward. That's why. End of month equals better deals, end of quarter equals even better, end of year equals best chance. They're not being generous. They're chasing numbers. Hidden layer 3, overstock pressure. Sometimes manufacturers make too many cars. Too many cars equals problem. So they quietly pay dealerships. Sell these faster. You don't see this. It's not on the price tag. But it affects everything. Hidden layer 4, the fake invoice. Here's the most important truth. The invoice price is not the real cost. It's just the number you're allowed to negotiate against. Think about it like this. You're playing a game, but only one side knows the real score. Reality check. So Elon thought, I saved thousands. But in reality, dealer already made hundreds, possibly over $1,000, and we're still not at the biggest profit. Now we enter the most critical moment. The transition. Elon shakes hands. Deal is done. Or at least he thinks it is. The salesman says, "Let's finalize the paperwork." They walk into a smaller room. Quieter. More relaxed. No pressure. This is where everything changes. The finance manager. This person is calm, friendly, professional. But here's the truth. This is the most dangerous person in the dealership, not because they're bad, but because this is where all the profit lives. What really happens here? They don't sell cars anymore. They sell financing protection decisions. Profit engine 1. Interest markup. Bank says you qualify for 4%. Dealer says, great, here's 5%. That 1% difference? Pure profit. Example. On a $30,000 loan, that extra 1% can generate hundreds of dollars. Across thousands of customers? Millions. Profit engine 2. Extended warranty. Sounds safe. Feels responsible. But here's what's happening. They sell it for $2,000. It might cost them $1,000. That's $1,000 profit. Instant. Profit engine 3. Gap insurance. Important product, but marked up heavily. Real cost. Lower your price. Higher profit. $250, $400. Profit engine 4. Add-ons. Paint protection, tire protection, fabric coating. Each one seems small. $200 here, $300 there, but together? $500, $1,000 plus. Profit engine 5. Paperwork. This one surprises people the most. You're charged for documentation, filing, registration, processing. But think about it. They already have a system. They already do this every day. Profit? $500, $800 just for processing. Total reality by the time Elon leaves. Dealer profit is not $50, it's $2,000 to $3,000 plus, and Elon never noticed. Now let's meet another Elon. The smart move. This Elon walks in and says, "I'm paying cash." Sounds powerful. No debt. No interest. Simple. Reality. Dealer hears, "You just removed our biggest profit source." So what happens? They adjust. Less discount, less flexibility, higher final price. Result. This Elon pays more. Same car. Same place. Key insight. In most places, cash equals power, but in dealerships, financing equals profit, and when you remove profit, they replace it somewhere else. Here's the simple strategy. No tricks. Just understanding. Step 1. Stay neutral. Don't say cash. Don't say finance. Stay flexible. Step 2. Focus only on price. Ignore monthly payments. Ignore add-ons. Just the car price. Step 3. Stay alert in finance room. This is where most people relax. Don't. Step 4. Check one critical detail. No prepayment penalty. This gives you control. Step 5. Pay off early. You get better deal, lower price, minimal interest. Here's the truth most people never hear. Buying a car is not a simple purchase. It's a system. A system built with layers. Layers of pricing, layers of psychology, layers of hidden incentives. And the reason people lose money is not because they're careless. It's because they only see the surface. They focus on the sticker price, the monthly payment, the discount, but they miss where the real money is made, when the real negotiation happens, how the system actually works. That's why smart people still overpay. Not because they're stupid, but because they're playing a game with rules they don't fully understand. But now you understand it. You see the structure. You see the patterns. You see the invisible layers. And once you see it, you can't go back. Next time you walk into a dealership, you won't feel rushed. You won't feel pressured. You won't feel confused. Because you'll know. The deal isn't over when they say it is. The price isn't the real price, and the system only works if you don't understand it, and that's the difference. Not luck. Not negotiation skills. Understanding. If this video made you see something new, if even one part changed how you think, then don't stop here. Subscribe, turn on notifications, because this channel exists for one reason. To break down the hidden rules of money so you stop losing without even realizing it. And next time you buy a car, you won't just be a customer. You'll be someone who understands the game. And once you understand the game, you don't just save money. You move differently.